Table Tennis Jamaica President Godfrey Lothian is once again in the spotlight as some council members are calling for a drastic change in leadership or a possible no-confidence vote. Renardo Brown reports.
It's a small association with big problems, and President Godfrey Lothian is once again at the center. This time it's the marginalization of council members.
Council members don't know anything unless the president states these things or pass it down. And I don't think that is correct. You have a council, and the Constitution speaks to council approving checks and monies and decisions. This is not done by the president. He alone dictates what happens.
On Tuesday, one council member was allegedly prevented from entering the offices of Table Tennis Jamaica. Or was he?
I came there in the morning. I saw himself, Mr. Godfrey Lothian, and another person, Mr. Wisdom, came in. I walked past them and I was going around to the office, and they said that nobody's around there. So okay, so I went back outside because it's like almost like a foyer, like a little lobby area. So I went outside and I was standing pretty close to where the grill. The other gentleman came out, went to his car, and then Mr. Lothian came out, and I saw him lock the grill. You know what I mean? So I smiled and I was there. So shortly after, Stephen Spoongrant came there and he said to me, "Belucci, what you doing out here?" And I said, well, the president locked the grill and I'm basically outside. So
running off the office is part of my portfolio as a president. Now, when he said locked off of the office, because I see him in the office, I was going away and I couldn't leave the office open. So I locked the grill to the office and was sitting there. When a certain individual came, he came for the key, opened the place, because the staff is responsible to run the office. Mm-hmm. So you can't have every council member that's walking into the office. It don't work like that.
It's also believed that council members were not included in the deliberation process to amend the current constitution.
The last AGM, the president wrote a constitution for himself, I should say, stating about a confederation and putting in the roles of the different elected bodies. And then it stated that there's a position for CEO, which the president is hoping to be the CEO. That is a paid position.
I cannot get up and change the constitution. It's just not work like that. So anybody tell you that is a joke, right? Is somebody who is clear propaganda. Mm-hmm. You know, I put forward proposals of a confederation, mm-hmm. of a vision that I had. It was not voted for, right? It's still out there. It's still being discussed. How can I change the constitution?
But is there a pending no confidence vote?
Well, I can tell you other people are speaking and they're not council members, which simply means that there is an issue, there really is a problem. And I'm understanding that even as we speak, there are other people who are not council members, they're on other media speaking of the style of leadership. Not good.
So is this the start of a walkout on the Godfrey Lothian-led association?
I have no more confidence in him. Bottom line.
Only time will tell. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.